After the Pentagon Papers ended, which was a case about censorship, Mitchell, who was Nixon's attorney general, got very excited about prosecuting in the New York Times. People have forgotten about that. So he convened a grand jury in Boston because there was some evidence that the Pentagon Papers had been circulated in the anti-war community before they were published by the New York Times. And the theory was that the New York Times reporter conspired with those anti-war protesters, and he was going to indict them for conspiracy. So now, fast forward. What is Obama doing? He's convened a grand jury. We haven't heard about it. I think it's still there. I think it may have even indicted Assange in secrecy. But what's the charge? Conspiracy. Well, we don't expect our listeners to be lawyers and jump up and down when they hear the word conspiracy. I just want to tell you and the audience, it's very easy to prove conspiracy. Very hard to prove espionage under the Espionage Act. So what Obama is doing an end run and trying to get an easy case against Assange after he's convicted Manning. It's easy to convict Manning, okay? So that easy conviction then becomes the basis for the agreement for Assange. So my book is meant to be a clarion call to the journalistic community. Wake up. There's danger out there. You may not like Assange, but wake up. The First Amendment is really going to be damaged if Obama goes forward. And as I said at the beginning of the show, if he does and succeeds, he will have succeeded where Nixon failed.